Most agents post a listing, pray it sells fast and move on. And when it does, they celebrate the commission and forget that listing just walked out the door with 30 potential buyers and sellers they never captured. Here's the truth. Every single listing you take is a lead generation event, not just a sale, a system. And if you're not running that system, you're leaving 20 to 40 qualified leads on the table every single time. I'm going to show you exactly how to turn one listing into a full pipeline. Ads, campaigns, community content, open houses, all of it. So let's get into this. This is for agents who are tired of grinding for new business when the answer is sitting right in their listing folder. I've used this exact process across hundreds of transactions and it works. Whether you're selling a $500K condo or a $2 million detached home. A couple years ago, I had an agent on my team, sharp, hardworking, doing solid volume, but every deal felt like starting from scratch. She'd close a listing, get the commission, and then be right back at zero trying to find the next one. One day, she came to me frustrated, said, "Will, I feel like I'm always hunting. I can never get ahead." I pulled up her last listing. Beautiful home in a great neighborhood. Had 40 showings, 12 offers, sold for over asking. I asked her, "How many leads did you generate from that property?" She looked at me like I had two heads. "It sold in 5 days. I didn't need leads." And that was the problem. That listing was the loudest marketing moment she had all year, and she used it to sell one house instead of building a business. We flipped the script on her approach, ran the system I'm about to show you, and her next listing generated 31 new contacts. 3 of them turned into buyers, 2 of them listed with her within 90 days. One listing, 5 deals in the pipeline. That's what I want for you. The moment your listing goes live, you need to be running paid traffic to it, not boosting posts, running actual structured ad campaigns. Here's how to set it up on Meta. Step 1, run targeted ads directly to your listing. Build a campaign targeting people within a 15 to 20 kilometer radius of the listing. Layer in demographic targeting, age ranges that match your buyer profile, income indicators, homeowner or renter status if available. Use your listing photos as your creative, but lead with a hook. Don't just say just listed. Say something like, "Thinking about moving to Toronto? Here's what 850,000 gets you right now." You're not selling the house. You're starting a conversation. Set up a lead form ad or drive traffic to a landing page with a simple value offer. Get full details plus a neighborhood market report. That's your exchange. They give you their contact info, you give them value. Budget doesn't need to be massive. $10 to $15 a day for the duration of the listing is more than enough to generate consistent leads. You're not trying to go viral. You're targeting the right people in the right area. Step 2, set up smart campaigns around the listing beyond the paid ads. You want to automate these campaigns running in parallel with your ad. Set up a geo-targeted Google display campaign around your listing address. When someone in that area searches for anything real estate related, neighborhoods, schools, movie companies, your listing ad shows up. It's cheap, it's effective, and it keeps your brand in front of people who are already in research mode. Then build a retargeting campaign for everyone who clicks the ad but doesn't convert. They saw your listing, they were interested. Now follow them around the internet and bring them back. This is where most agents drop the ball. They run one ad, get one shot, and quit. Retargeting turns one impression into 5. If you're using a CRM like Follow Up Boss or Lofty, sync your lead form to automatically trigger a nurture sequence the second someone opts in. Don't let those leads go cold. Step 3, set up custom search alerts tied to that property. This one is underutilized. It's a gold mine. When somebody inquires about your listing, don't just send them the one property. Set them up on a custom search alert for similar homes in that area, same price range, same bedroom count, same neighborhood. Now you're their go-to source for that market. Even if your listing sells in a week, they're still getting emails from you, still seeing your branding, and still staying warm. And when they're ready to write an offer, guess who they call? They're going to be calling you. You can also use this as a proactive lead generation tool. Reach out to your database and say, "I just listed a home in Toronto. I've got a custom search set up for similar properties in that area. Want me to add you?" It's not pushy, it's genuinely helpful, and it opens conversations. Step 4, illustrate the community, not just the house. Here's where most agents are completely asleep. When you list a property, buyers aren't just buying the house. They're buying the lifestyle, the community, the commute, the schools, the coffee shops 3 minutes away, the the park at the end of the street. Create short form content around the listing that shows all of it. Walk the neighborhood, film the transit hub, show the school ratings, and explain what they actually mean for families. Show the shopping, the restaurants, the demographics of who lives there. Is it a young professional area? A family neighborhood? Is it up and coming? Tell that story. Post it on Instagram Reels, post it on YouTube Shorts, run it as a video ad, tag local businesses. You'll get organic reach from that community because you're putting their neighborhood on a pedestal. And the people who live there and want to live there will find it. This content does double duty. It attracts buyers for the listing and it attracts sellers in that area who see you as the go-to agent for their street. Schools, transit, walkability scores, demographics, put it all out there. Buyers want to feel the neighborhood before they ever book a showing. Step 5, run the same system for your open house. An open house is not just a showing, it's a live lead generation event. Run ads specifically promoting the open house 3 to 5 days before. Target the same geo radius. Use creative that creates urgency, like open house this Sunday at 123 Main Street. See it before it's gone. Build a registration landing page for the open house. Yup. Make people register, offer them something in return, early access, a neighborhood pricing guide, a market report, anything. You'll get more serious attendees and every one of them becomes a lead in your CRM. At the open house itself, use a digital check-in, capture names, emails, phone, and one qualifying question. Are you currently working with a realtor? Now, I don't like to ask this question. I'd rather reframe it this way. Has somebody sat down with you to talk about the buying and selling process? That one question tells you everything you need to know about who to follow up with first. After the open house, run a post-event email sequence, such as day 1, great meeting you. Day 3, here's the neighborhood market data I mentioned. Day 7, have you seen what just came on the market nearby? You stay in their inbox, you stay relevant, and you stay top of mind. Done right, a single open house should add 15 to 25 new contacts to your pipeline on top of the 15 to 20 your listing ads already generated. That's your 20 to 40. Every listing you take should be working for your business long after the sold sticker goes up. Ads, smart campaigns, search alerts, community content, open house systems, run all 5 and you will never look at the listing the same way again. If this gave you real value, hit the subscribe. I drop tactics like this every week, built for agents who want to grow real business, not just survive the market. And if you want to go deeper on running paid ads specifically for real estate, I've got a video that breaks down the exact meta ad setup agents should be running right now. Go watch that next. It'll change how you think about your marketing budget. Let's build.